As they are meant to be delivering sound outputs, portable speakers have reached new heights of immersive music experience to its users. For greater sound output with soothing equalizer and other exciting features, you are most likely to spend hundreds of dollars, which might not always suit your music listening standards. But don't be worried, as we're going to talk about a portable speaker that does not get heavy on your wallet and delivers a soothing sound quality experience with all the latest features at $50 price range. And that is the Tronsmart Mega Speaker, a portable and compact size speaker that is well known for its stunning outlook with a better quality bass and volume. But is it really value for money? Let's test it out. Let's talk about the basics in the first place. This speaker comes with a compact design that occupies less space on your backpack. The good thing is, it only has an on-off button on the speaker, and the rest of the music controlling options are based on a touchpad panel that makes sure of its smart operation without stressing as much as clicking on buttons, if it has any. This music speaker weighs around 660 grams, making it one of the lightest sound speakers with good quality audio deliverance. Plus, keeping this speaker stand firm, it has two anti-slip rubber feet that prevent accidental slipping even on wet surfaces. The next big thing is its sound quality. Well, considering the size of this portable speaker, it delivers a concrete maximum of 40 watts audio output from its two stereo speakers, having 20 watts power output from each, providing punchier bass and crystal clear vocals. It can even work as an amplifier for a player for a much better and louder music quality experience. Listen to a better and clear voice quality for both male and female voices for over 85 decibels. That is pretty uncommon to find on a budget-friendly portable Bluetooth speaker that comes within $50. Now let's hear some music on this speaker.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.
Let me now come to its connectivity options and packaging accessories. First, about its connectivity features. So it connects faster while pairing with your smartphone, as it integrates the new and intelligent Bluetooth 5.0 version, so you can turn any kind of indoor music into a hard rock and roll party. You can even pair multiple Tronsmart speakers with its fastest Bluetooth technology for a much louder music experience. Apart from its Bluetooth connectivity option, it also comes with a micro SD card option that can store hundreds and thousands of audio tracks. So party hard with all your buddies in the house all night. Not only this, but it also has a 3.5mm audio jack compatibility that directly connects to your favorite smartphone and plays non-stop music continuously without any worries. Last but not the least, it has another exciting feature that we didn't talk about yet, which is its NFC, which can smartly connect to the speaker while keeping your smartphone on top of its NFC touchpad panel. Note that all these connectivity features work pretty fast and save you waiting, which is the best part of this speaker. And it gives you up to 15 hours of non-stop music playing on a full cycle charge that takes only a few hours, so that you never have to wait for a long while. So this was almost all about the good sides of this speaker. But as you know, nothing comes flawless. So does it as well. Now let's talk about where they got it wrong. Surprisingly, it lacks waterproofing and water resistance conveniences that might ruin your favorite pool party or when you go for an outdoor trip. Yes, we agree on the point stating that this can be one of the wisest decisions to bring this portable speaker home with you, as it still delivers fantastic sound quality at indoor decorums. Besides this, its compact design makes it easy for you to carry, and almost everything else is just fine and goes up to the mark. Comparing its potential with most other portable speakers within its price range in terms of its audio quality. Plus, generally, most portable speakers allow you to take them to outdoor locations for a much richer and louder music experience, while the Tronsmart Mega Speaker lacks good quality sound in outdoor situations, as its 40-watt speaker does not seem good enough to carry with you outside your home. So after testing the Tronsmart Mega Speaker to its full potential, do we recommend it? Well, definitely. Though having no waterproofing might disappoint many buyers, but it's not a deal breaker also. The speaker can perform excellently in indoor places and has got ample connectivity options, better audio quality, and surprising battery life, all with just a $50 price tag. So this was our review for the Tronsmart Mega Speaker that we hope you had enjoyed